Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Whenever Apple introduces a new version of iOS, people across the globe rush to download it and be among the first users. Due to this, it is normal for iOS 17 to stay stuck on the update requested screen for a while as the Apple servers get overloaded. However, if the screen stays stagnant for a very long time, here are the fixes. Fix 1. Force quiet the settings app. The first solution is to force quiet the settings app. For this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen on iPhone with Face ID and hold. On iPhone with a home button, quickly double press it. Next, drag the settings app card up to force close it. After a few seconds, open the app again and see if the problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Check your Wi-Fi connection and restart the router. Make sure you have fast, reliable Wi-Fi. Restart the Wi-Fi router, which will improve the connectivity, making it easier to download iOS 17. Additionally, ensure you have turned off any VPN on your iPhone if enabled, and if none of this help, connect your iPhone to a different Wi-Fi network. This will most likely start the new iOS download. Fix 3. Restart your iPhone. Another working way to fix the iOS update stack on the update requested screen is to restart the iPhone. This will refresh things that may help you start downloading iOS 17. For that, open Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom and tap on Shutdown. Drag the slide to power off slider to right side to turn off this device. Wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Fix 4. Delete the iOS file if visible. Open iPhone Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down and tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down, and if you see any file named iOS 17, tap on it. The next screen, tap Delete Update. Next, restart your iPhone and follow the steps to download iOS 17. Fix 5. Free up your iPhone storage. Open the Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down and tap on iPhone Storage. The device will take a few seconds to calculate the storage space and the size of each category. To free up your iPhone storage, you should consider deleting some files such as videos, pictures, etc. on the device. Otherwise, you should clear the cache file or just delete some apps that you don't use. Fix 6. Reset network settings. When none of the above solutions work, reset the network settings. This will remove all custom settings related to things like carrier and Wi-Fi. To reset, launch the Settings app. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up, select Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.